Hi everyone, welcome to my new channel. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite curry that is so simple and easy. So let's start it. For this I'm going to use one medium sized chicken and then coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder or paprika powder. I'm using paprika because we don't like to eat a lot of spices. Now I'm going to add coriander powder, ginger powder, about 1 teaspoon of orange food color, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. I had frozen. I didn't have a fresh one, so I'm just using the frozen one. Half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. So after mixing all spices, I got to remember that I have to add vinegar. Usually I add lemon juice, but I didn't have it, so I just tried to add vinegar. So mix everything well and then add 3 to 4 sliced tomatoes. And then I smoke the chicken with the burning coal. In a pan, I am adding half cup of cooking oil and one medium-sized finely chopped onion. Fry the onion until it gets light golden. Adding onion is totally optional. If you guys want to make a gravy in the curry, then you can add onion, otherwise you can skip it. Once onion gets light golden, then add the marinated chicken. Mix it well. Add half a cup of tomato paste. I'm using Hunt's pasta sauce. Instead of tomato paste, I usually use the pasta sauce. I really like it in curries, vegetables, any kind of cooking. I use Hunt's pasta sauce. I'm going to cook chicken curry on a very low flame heat. During the cooking, I was keep stirring and mixing it up, and I was going to mash the tomatoes so they can mix with the curry well. I didn't add any of extra water, just chicken and tomatoes left the liquid. Now the chicken looks perfectly cooked, and now I'm gonna add fresh cilantro and the chicken is ready to serve. After eating dinner, me and my daughter decided to go out for shopping. I really didn't want to go to outside because of the weather, but my daughter, she insisted me, and we went to the TJ Maxx and Marshalls. The reason was not only the weather, but the reason was that I told my daughter we are just going to spend extra money, and I'm sure we are not going to spend less than $100. So that was the reason I didn't want to go, but I went with her and spent some quality time. And I also bought this cap because I really wanted it in the summer season. What do you think? Which one is the best? This one or the other one? So that's all things that we bought from the TJ Maxx and I think from Marshalls. And this is the perfume from from Michael Kors, and it smells really good. After using, I realized it doesn't stay long enough or more than a few hours. So this is my first video and a short vlog. If you really want to appreciate my work, please hit the like button and subscribe button. Until then, take care and goodbye.